Hey guys, Sean McGoey with Flaming Barrel Monkeys Tech Junkies. Welcome to the show. Today we are reviewing the Rode Wireless Go. So, I've been messing around with this for probably about a week, and I'm pretty impressed with it. It's a small unit, but it has a lot of power. Right now I am talking to you with the Rode unit. I have it hooked up directly into the camera, so we'll see how it sounds after I get done doing this review. So, one thing nice about this unit, or I should say one thing nice about this unit, is it's small. It's about the size of your palm of your hand, so it's easy to transport. Another nice thing I like about this is on the receiver, it has a LED screen, so you can see your battery life, and you also can see the volume on or the levels on your audio. So it's a really powerful tool. Rode is one of the industry standards. A lot of production that do field work use Rode because of the quality of the product and the durability. So as you see, both of the units look the same. They're about the size of the palm of your hand. One thing nice about the unit is it has the option of using a external mic, which is what I'm using now, or you can unplug it and use the internal mic that's built into the receiver. So it makes it nice and versatile, because if you're going from client to client or talent to talent, you can just clip it on them and do the recording, and then take it off and go to the next person, which makes it really nice. Let me plug this back in. As you see, the audio, this is just a test of using just the mic that's built into the receiver, which is right here. So let me plug this back in. Another nice thing that it comes with 2 charging cables, which makes it really handy, so you can charge both of the units at the same time. Also in the box, it comes with a carry case, which makes it really nice. Both the microphone or the receiver and the transmitter fit in this little package. Comes with 2 of some people call them dead cats, which is the industry name for them, or a windscreen. Also comes with a cable to hook up to your camera, or up to a EQ or a little mixer, so you can mix down the audio. But right now we are going straight into the camera to give you the idea of how it sounds, just going from straight into a camera from the receiver. The camera that I'm using is a Sony Action Cam. I like the fisheye lens on it, and it's just it's a rugged camera because I take it everywhere. So and it also, like most things, comes with a little instruction manual, which it's simple. It has like 4 things on the instruction manual. That's what the instruction manual, it's just like 4 squares, and it's really simple. When you first get it out of the box, it's already set up to go, so you can just start using it. I believe you can hook up more than one transmitter to this. So if you have multiple transmitters, you can hook them up into the receiver. I think you just have to change some stuff. I haven't really researched that much. But I'm pretty impressed with this. The build quality is great. We'll see how the sound is when I had the sound hooked up to my digital box that I hook up for go from analog to digital into the computer. It sounded great. There was not much hissing, not much interference noise. It wasn't grainy, so we'll see how it sounds going directly into the camera. Well, that's about it for this quick review. Make sure you like us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Ustream. We appreciate all the support that we get from you guys, the viewers. Until next time, keep teching on, folks. We'll see you in the next review. And keep safe.